Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the anonymous girl with another video. So today's video is going to be about wanting a desire, lacking it and feeling it real. So when a desire, you'll have a desire only when you want it. Okay, so wanting and desire goes together. There are times when you don't deliberately want anything and then you manifest those things. Probably you're in alignment with those, you're internally in alignment with those kind of manifestations. But when you deliberately want something, you know that you add a lot of pressure on the desire, and then when you come to know that when you want it, you create the lack of it, and so the universe will be giving you only the lack or the absence of it, and then feeling it real. And not everyone can feel. See, when you don't have it, how do you feel it real? Many will have these doubts. Only when you have a strong imagination power, feeling part will be easier. Okay, so now let's put an I will try to put an end to all these kind of confusions, because I've kind of come to this clarity. Okay, so I will be sharing it with you today. Okay, so let's look at an analogy. Okay, let's say you want to eat an ice cream. Let's say I want to eat an ice cream. So what do? I say I want to eat an ice cream. So when you tell that statement internally, notice your energy. When you want something, I mean, when I wanted something, I experienced, or I was able to see this a small space or a small vacuum forming within my energy, which I see as the space that we energetically create for the ice cream to come and fill inside. You get it? So while wanting, when you want something, you create that small space for your manifestation to come and sit inside. Yeah, made easy. So in that stage, I mean, for me, when I understood this thing, I never saw wanting as a lack of it, and then universe giving me only the lack of it. Okay, so when does this lack actually comes? That happens when you're too much needy. Okay, when you want it too badly and you're like, where's it, I want it, where is it, when you keep doing that needy energy. So what happens is that needy energy, imagine it like this: you want something, and then this small empty slot is open within your energy. But when you look into the lack of it, and when you want it badly, when you want it badly, they say you're pushing it away, right? So that time what happens is you create a shield around this empty spot. So that shield is stopping your manifestation from coming inside. It's as simple as that. So that's why when you want something very badly, you are stopping your own manifestations. You get it? Feeling it real, that part. See, when you say I want an ice cream, you create that empty space. I mean, when I say that statement, I'm already creating that empty spot inside energy, my energy body. Okay. When I say the word ice cream, I'm already aligned to that particular thing. That is, when you say ice cream, you immediately imagine eating an ice cream. It going through you tasting it in your tongue, and then it going through your throat, that cold feeling and all those things. Yeah. So that, when you talk about food, your body naturally tends to react. That's why this famous lemon example is there, no? Imagine a lemon, and then imagine, close your eyes and imagine a lemon, and then imagine eating it or drinking a lemon juice or whatever. Your body, your tongue immediately reacts. It salivates, right? And then it immediately reacts, even though the lemon is not true, it is not there in the physical reality. Yeah. So this way, your body, when you want the ice cream, your body is automatically reacting to the idea of ice cream, right? And that is exactly the feeling of having it. I've understood it this way, and it works perfectly. It works super perfect. Yeah. So wanting is not lacking, but badly wanting is lacking. So when you want something, you create an empty spot within yourself for that desire to come and sit, for that desire's energy to come and fill inside your energy body. Okay. But when you want it badly, and when you keep looking for it, you're like, come to me, come to me, you create this shield around your empty spot, which stops your manifestation to come through. And feeling it real is when you want it, you're already in it. Okay. So this part, when you're wanting something, you're already in it. This I learned from Sunny Sharma's Life Mastery Quest channel, so you can go through his videos also. So he tells that when you're imagining something, you're already in it, you're in that state. Okay. So you don't have to put extra effort in, trying hard to feel it hard, and trying hard to feel it, and things like that. Yeah. So let's remove all this confusion and make things simple. And when it's simple, it's super easy, and you manifest in lightning speed. Let's put it that way. Yeah, you'll manifest in lightning speed. So yeah, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was helpful. I am open for discussions. Please comment your experience, your understanding, and your manifestation. And you can also give me inputs. I'm open to take inputs. And please like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Meet you all soon. Bye bye.